Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about books you need to read. There are several books that actually are helpful for you as an individual. So let's start with number 1. M.J. DeMarco's The Millionaire Fast Lane. Crack the code to wealth and live rich for a lifetime. Business books of this kind often get a bad rap for vague, purely motivational advice, but every now and then someone writes a legendary book that outshines every other book in this genre. MJ's approach is a perfect example of thinking big. In the book, he teaches you how to become a rich person in a few years instead of several decades. It's a must-read for every person who wants to build a business and become rich. This can be heard on audiobooks, so in audible.com, so you can have this book read to you while you are driving or whenever you are listening or tuning in to listen. The next one will be books by Richard Branson, including Losing My Virginity, Screw It, Let's Do It, Like a Virgin, Secret, They Won't Teach You at a Business School, and The Virgin Way, How to Listen, Learn, Laugh, and Lead. There are few people in the world who think bigger than Richard Branson. His entire persona in the embodiment of bold thinking. Dive into his mind by reading his books and change your life. The next one is Peter Diamandis, Abundance. The future is better than you think, and bold. Bold, how to go big, create wealth, and impact the world. The first book will help you develop the abundant mindset by realizing how much your world has changed and how much better the future is going to be. The second book, in the guide of thinking big and changing the world, if you want to join the likes of Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard Branson, you need to read it. The fourth one is Richard Koch's books about the 80-20 principle, like the 80-20 principle, the secret of achieving more with less, living the 80-20 way, or the 80-20 individual. Richard Koch is the perfect example of how to achieve more with less. He's one of the wealthiest Britons. His investments, guided by simple principles, have made him extraordinary returns. If you want to learn how to achieve more with less, read everything written by this brilliant mind. The fifth one is Greg McKeown's Essentialism, the Disciplined Pursuit of Less. If you want to explore more about how to focus and simplify your life, this book is for you. You can't achieve big things if you concern yourself with things that don't matter much. Greg will teach you how to identify and disregard these things. Gary Keller's The One Thing, the surprisingly simple truth behind extraordinary results. The title alone perfectly explains what this book is about. If you want to achieve incredible results in a short time frame, you will learn how to do it in Gary's book. His advice can be also applied to improving your personal life. These books can be heard on audible.com. Now, the seventh one is Peter Thiel's 0 to 1 Notes on Startups or How to Build a Future. A must-read for everyone who wants to build an innovative business. Peter is the perfect example of bold thinking, having created PayPal and investing in some of the world's most influential startups like Facebook. Tim Ferriss' books, The 4-Hour Workweek, The 4-Hour Body, and The 4-Hour Chef, All 3 books will help you optimize your life. The 4-Hour Workweek will show you how to escape your day job and start a lifestyle business. But don't stop there. Use the money made from your lifestyle business to go even bigger. The 4-Hour Body will show you how to achieve big fitness goals. If you want to transform your body or become a world-class athlete, this book is for you. Tim's tips, among others, helped me lose 30 pounds in 3 months. The 4-Hour Chef will show you how to master new skills by putting focus on the most essential things. The principles from this book will help you become a world-class expert. Getting everything you can out of all you've got. 21 ways you can outthink, outperform, and out-earn the competition. And the sticking point solution. 9 ways to move your business from stagnation to stunning growth in tough economic times. If you want to build a big business that makes real difference to your clients, reading everything by J. Abraham is a must. And the last one, Tony Robbins' classic, Unlimited Power and Awaken the Giant Within. Tony Robbins is arguably the most knowledgeable life coach in the world. His insights about human psychology can dramatically shift your mindset. If I were to choose 2 of the most transformational books I've ever read, I would pick these 2 exceptional titles. So here you have it, 10 books that are that you must read. They should be in your library, digital library. So the link is in the comment. Please subscribe and let me know what other books you are reading so I can include them in my next video.